Do you want to become a millionaire? Do you think it's possible for you? There's a million ways to become a millionaire. And if anyone else can do it, you can too. Want to learn what other ordinary people did to create extraordinary income and awesome, passionate relationships? Stay tuned to learn from the man many call the Millionaire Maker. Bill Duquette has become one of the leading masters of subconscious reprogramming. A true rags-to-riches success story. He went from a poor boy from the projects to a self-made millionaire. Bill has produced and starred in his own stage shows where he has hypnotized a 102-pound female into believing she was made of a steel bar, put her across two supports, and stood on her, proving that your subconscious mind, once reprogrammed, can achieve anything. Bill is also a master of persuasion and influence. Thousands of people have come to learn from him the techniques you are about to learn.
Trick you into believing you're a millionaire and that you have millionaire habits and you go out and produce. That's all it takes.
Tens of thousands of people have experienced this technology, and now you can too. Now, here he is, the man many people call the Millionaire Maker, Bill Duquette.